So it's my work off today, and today I'll be making a how-to video for you guys, and it's all about cleaning the spark plugs of your bike. And the reason I'm doing it now because my bike is giving me some starting trouble. So I just need to check the spark plugs if they're working fine, if there is water in there, or if there is some carbon deposit. And I'm doing it again because it was not covered in the complete service video that I did previously. So to clean the spark plugs, you would need sandpaper, a wire brush, a spark plug gapper. I got this from Amazon. It's for like 350 bucks, and a rag. And the tools are provided by Royal Enfield in your bike, so you can use them to take the spark plugs out and fit them back in. So first we need to remove the cable, and that exposes the spark plug. And then you would need this tool with this rod to take the bigger spark plug on the left side out. So I've already loosened it, so you just need to twist it like this. It's a tight space, so you might have to put some effort in it, and just rotate it like this. And then take it out. Now here is the second spark plug. It's a tight spot. So this is a tight space again, so you would need this tool and the rod to pull the spark plug out. You put it like this, like this. So you need a lot of patience. So as you can see, the spark plugs are really dirty. They are just like filled with soot, and I think that's the reason that the bike is giving starting problems. So that's the condition of the spark plug. Both are like filled with carbon. And I think once I clean them, the starting problem will be gone. And then I need to adjust the carburetor so that they don't get this dirty. So first we'll clean the spark plugs with the rag, just to clean the surface dust, the surface soot. Then you would need a piece of sandpaper like this, and then you start cleaning it, especially this portion that ignites the fuel, that it creates a spark. Blow some air. We'll do the second one the same way. and then you would need this wire brush. Just take the plug and just rub it like this on the wire brush to clean off the remaining soot. See how shiny it has become now? It's much cleaner than it was previously. And once you have done the cleaning, you need to adjust the gap with this gap tool, and it should be between this 70, 070 and 080. So it should be on 075 as per the Royal Enfield manual. So we'll just put the spark plug here and we'll try to move it. See, it gets stuck over here, so it's too narrow, so we need to open it. We'll use this to open it. Now we'll move again. Okay, we need to open it again. Okay. This is after cleaning. See, spark plugs are so clean now. Now I'll install them back in. So to install it back in, we need to follow the same procedure but in reverse. We'll put the spark plug here and we'll just screw it back in. And remember guys, always do it on a cold engine because it's aluminum, it expands and it can damage, and the threads will be soft and they can get damaged. So always do it on a cold engine. So tighten it by hand first and then put the cable back in and press it down until it clicks like this, and one spark plug is done. Same process for the other spark plug. You put the spark plug here like this, then first tighten it by hand as much as you can. So the second spark plug has been installed as well. So we'll put this cable back in. We have to put it up and then push it in the cavity. Slowly by slowly. Yes. And once it is there, you just need to click it in place. That's it. It's done. So both the spark plugs are tight and they are cleaned and installed. So let's start the bike and see how it works. So this procedure is applicable to all bikes and not just Royal Enfield. So if your bike gives you starting trouble now, you know what to do. अब यहाँ तक वीडियो देख लिया है तो सब्सक्राइब और लाइक भी कर दो यार.